Hi there! Today I'll teach you everything you need to know about Flocabulary. Use the timestamps in the description box below to skip to the parts you need. This site has rap and hip-hop music videos that help explain various subjects to students. Each video has several activities and handouts as well. First, we'll go over signing in and creating a class. In CCSD 21, teachers can use the link found in Learn Platform to get the join link if they've never used Flocabulary before. Once you sign up, you can use the Login with Google button moving forward. We'll add students by going to our name at the top and My Classes. Archive any old classes first if you've used Flocabulary in the past. Then we'll choose Import a Class. Select one or all of your classes and pick the school. And there you go! You can click Sync Roster if you ever get a new student or co-teacher. Click the class name to view assignments, analytics, students, and manage the class. One option for your class is turning on the Immersive Reader for a few or all of your students. This is a feature that helps students read, and it even translates the text on several activities. You can watch our Immersive Reader video linked in the description box below for more information about all its features. Now that our class is ready to go, let's find some videos for them to watch. We could start by typing keywords at the top, or if you go to Standards Alignment, you can look up standards to see which videos align with each one. As you search for videos, you'll notice there are Flocabulary Originals and Nearpod Originals. Both are great choices. The Flocabulary ones are music videos, and the Nearpod ones are just spoken explanations of the topic. If you're showing a video to the class, you and your students can pull up the lyrics so students can follow along or reread key moments. You can choose to use discussion questions, which pause the video at certain points to bring up prompts. You can also change the speed here to slow it down. Week in Rap are highlights from the weekly news. Choose This Week in Rap Junior for grades 3 through 5, and This Week in Rap for grades 6 through 8. Always be sure to check the Teacher Resources button to view the summary and preview the video to make sure the content is appropriate for students. And while we're here, this is also a great place to go for hard copy handouts and to check the standards alignment. Handouts are an easy activity for subplans too. Before we assign the video, we should also check what kinds of activities we have to choose from. Vocab cards are visual and written definitions of important words from the video. Students can even practice writing and drawing the words. The vocab game is where students drag the answer to the question and earn a new instrument for the song. Break It Down has questions such as multiple choice, video clips, and short response. Read and Respond has passages of text with accompanying questions. Students can confirm answers right away. The quiz has multiple choice questions. Lyric Lab allows students to create their own rap based on the vocab words from the video. You could have students download their lyrics here if you want a printable copy of the full song. To create an assignment, go to a video and click Assign. Check the class or classes and individual students if needed. Select activities, or even just the video on its own. Choose when it is visible for students. Choose when it's due. Share the assignment to Google Classroom if you want, and create the assignment. You can also make changes to the assignment by going to the individual classes. Mixes are video pairings to demonstrate a skill. They come with one video that explains the skill and another that gives an example story. For example, the students could watch a video to learn what the moral of a story is, then watch The Boy Who Cried Wolf right after to practice. You can favorite mixes to find them again easily. Playlists are a collection of videos, sort of like a YouTube playlist. You can create your own playlist by clicking here, giving it a name and description, and adding lessons. Click Share to send your playlist to students or other team members. To make a playlist with AI, click here and enter a prompt. Click Generate Playlist, and Flocabulary will curate a playlist for you. With any AI tool, please make sure you're following our district's AI guidance, which is linked in the description box below. Favorites are another great way to save videos for future reference. Click the star above a video to save a lesson to your favorites. To find it in the future, click your name at the top and My Profile, then find Favorites in Favorite Lessons. Thanks for watching! Be sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss our next tutorial.